Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sophia here, and in today's video we are going to be talking about hair porosity. I know I did a video first about how to check hair porosity, but this video is to explain the various porosity and how to apply products to those porosity for maximum hair growth. So if you haven't watched that video yet, the link is in the description box. Check it out and watch it before you come and watch this one. If you haven't watched my hibiscus video, guys, the hibiscus is really working. If you haven't really seen my hair before, check my previous video, the one I did the pony, and compare it to today. Actually, my hair has become thick. It's very difficult for me to see my scalp these days. Just unlike first, like God just spread, like scattered the head on my hair. Now it's difficult for me to see my scalp, and my hairline is also coming back. If your hair is like how mine was, then hibiscus and aloe vera juice is the best for you. You use it as a leave-in conditioner or a deep conditioner. If you cannot find hibiscus in your area, you can use pawpaw leaves. I have a video on that too. Check it out. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about porosity, the various porosity, and how to apply product to those porosity. So first, I will explain what porosity is. Porosity is the ability of your hair to absorb and retain water. In simple language, is the ability of your hair to drink water. During the porosity test, you can either have low porosity, high porosity, or medium or normal porosity. The three. What high porosity? So if you have high porosity, meaning your hair follicles are open. In normal sense, they're not supposed to be closed or open. That is how our hair follicles is supposed to be. It's supposed to absorb water normally and retain the proportion that is needed for the hair to grow. But if you have high porosity hair, the hair will absorb the water all right, but then it will not be able to retain any of the water it has absorbed. All will dry out within few minutes because the follicles of the hair are open, so anything that enters come out. I hope my explanation makes sense. So let's go to normal porosity. If you have normal porosity, meaning your hair follicles are not closed and they are not open to, they absorb the right proportion of water needed for the hair to grow. So this kind of people, they don't really have any problem with their hair. You see them with plenty hair, you are doing exactly what they are doing. You're asking them what product do you use, their product will not work for you. Even if it will work for you, the way they apply the product to their hair, if you apply the same thing, it's not going to work for you, because you don't have the same porosity as the person. I hope I made sense. Let's go on to low porosity hair. What is low porosity hair? Low porosity hair means your hair follicles are closed. They cannot absorb water. The difference between low porosity and high porosity is high porosity will absorb the water and not retain it. But low porosity will not be able to absorb the water, but the little that gets in, it starts there forever. Like not forever, but for a longer period of time. So people with low porosity of hair, you realize that after washing, your hair doesn't dry early. To open the hair follicles of low porosity, you need heat. I repeat, heat. So what I do is I use warm water to open the hair follicle. So I always spray my hair with warm water. My hibiscus leave-in conditioner is always warm. My Clove water spray is always warm. So every morning I heat it up before I spray. In the evening I'll heat another one and spray. If your hair is not low porosity, guys, if it's normal porosity, you can carry your spray bottle wherever you go. It's a low porosity. If you have high porosity hair, you need oil. All you need to do is spray the hair, because when you spray the hair, it goes in and come out instead of retaining it. So you spray it and use the oil to close the cuticle. So water cannot penetrate oil. So if your hair follicles are open, you spray water, they come out. After spraying the water, close the follicles with oil, and that will prevent the water from coming out. Oil, I will recommend butter, whether shea butter, avocado butter, whatever butter you have. But then if you don't have any of this butter, you can use oil to sew the gap. There are lots of videos on YouTube showing how to moisturize your high porosity hair. You can check them out. I'm not going to do any video, guys. Until I see you guys in my next video, please don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe, like the video. A lot of people watch my video but they don't like, they don't comment, and that is not helping my channel at all. Guys, if you watch the video, please just hit on the like button, subscribe, click on the notification button so you don't miss any video from me, guys. Until I see you guys in my next video, bye, peace.